welcome to another video. We are so excited that you are here on our channel today. I am Crystal, one half of For Love of the Mouse, and today we are going to be doing a little something different. We're going to be decorating for fall. If you're new here, be sure that you click that subscribe button, hit that notification button so that you can be notified every time we release a video, and click that like button if you like what we're doing and if you like fall. So it is about, well, it's actually kind of cool here in Colorado today, but it's only supposed to be about 80 degrees. We did get snow last week, so welcome to Colorado. But we still have all of our summer decorations up because we are not ready for fall weather. Well, Bryson is. I'm not ready for fall weather, but I am ready for fall smells in my house and for fall decorations. So that's what we're doing today. I've got my pumpkin spice. Actually, it's a pumpkin cinnamon roll oat milk latte using my Skinny Syrups mix. It's a pumpkin cinnamon roll syrup that they sell. If you haven't tried Skinny Syrups yet, be sure that you head over to their website to check it out because they're better than any syrups I've ever used in my entire life, and they're sugar-free and they don't taste sugar-free. Also, be sure to use the code MOUSE10 for 10% off your order and go and get you some pumpkin cinnamon roll. So I've pulled all of the fall decorations up from the basement, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring everything into, this is our TV room or our living room. This is where we spend the majority of our time besides our kitchen. And so I'm going to bring everything fall in here. I'm also going to bring a really large tub in here and start taking down some of the decorations that we keep up for the spring and the summer. We have 3 sets of decorations in this house. We have fall, we have Christmas, which is going to be a whole separate video. I do Christmas decorating on Black Friday, so that's going to be a really fun video in and of itself, so be sure to stay tuned and be on the lookout for that if you love Christmas explosions, because our house explodes in Christmas. And then we decorate in usually about February. I get tired of winter in Colorado, which is when winter pretty much starts. And I bring out all of the spring candles. I bring out all of the spring and summer decor. I am willing the spring and summer to come back to us. But right now we're gonna decorate for fall and I'm really excited. I've got a fall shirt on. I've got some pumpkin spice makeup on. I've got my pumpkin cinnamon roll latte, and we're about to make fall happen in this house. Let's get started. So I've brought everything in, and then I have a big empty box right there, and that's what I'm going to put all of our decorations that we're going to take down at this time into, and then, well, hopefully they'll all fit in there. If not, I'll go downstairs and grab another tub. So I'm going to start putting all of those away from this room, from the kitchen, and then from the dining room and the formal living room, and then I will show you what I'm going to put up in each room. So this is a Mickey pumpkin wreath I made, I think last year or the year before. This will go on our front door. I love this wreath. It's so cute, and it was super simple to make. We actually have a vlog where I show exactly how to make this, especially like how to tie the ears and stuff. So we will link that for you guys to check out if you're interested in making your own Mickey wreath. So I have found another box. I don't know where we got all of this fall stuff, but it's all right. It's going to be awesome. So I've taken down a few more things around the downstairs, and I put a few things outside. I'll show you guys at the end. First, I think what we're going to do is the mantle, because it's kind of like the focal point. Our mantle, I don't know if you can see it because we don't have blinds on it. Our mantle is kind of the center of our TV room or our living room, and so it's obviously like one of the first things you see when you walk into this room, which is kind of where everybody hangs out. That's the one I want to do first. So I'm going to get that up, and then we'll see what else we have, and we'll start putting that other spaces. I want to do some fun stuff on that, and then we'll move into the kitchen. just finished the mantle. I'll show you guys at the end, and now I'm going to move on to this wall back here. I just finished that wall over there. I like it. It turned out super cute. I'm loving having like all these new decorations. So I think next I'm going to move into the kitchen. I want to make sure that I don't clutter up the kitchen too much because we tend to clutter our kitchen anyways. So I don't want to put too much in there to add to it. But I do have a couple runners and a couple little knickknacks that I want to put like on the sink and above the sink and stuff like that. So let's move into the kitchen. We have finished in this room. I'll show you everything when we're all complete, but now we're going to move into the hallway. I'm going to do some things with this table here. This is a really cool table, actually. My mom and I found this for our wedding. So we used this at the ceremony where we put some different items. So I love this. It's so cute. It's so unique. And then I have a runner that I'm going to put on our dining room table, and just some other things, a few other little things in here. I have a little sign that's gonna go up there. And then we'll work on Chesney's room. Chesney, are we gonna work on your room? She doesn't like change, so she's not thrilled. But I'm gonna put a few things in here, put some things on those little shelves, and then we'll put a couple things on this table and also on that other table. So that's where we're at. We're getting there. I finished decorating everything. I love the way it looks. I'm so excited. I am so ready to light these candles this afternoon or tonight. Although, like I said, I'm not ready for cold weather, I'm definitely excited for fall decorations because I love fall decorations. So I'm going to go through and show you guys everything that I put up in detail so that you can see everything that is in our house for fall, and I can't wait to show you. So we're going to start with the mantle because this is, like I said at the beginning of the vlog, this is kind of the focal point. And this is where we spend a lot of our time, so I really wanted it to look cute. I have to say, typically we don't put a giant Mickey and Minnie in our living room, but it's fun, it's festive, and I think it's pretty cute. So it brings joy to the room, it brings joy. So who doesn't need a little joy right now? So we put this giant Mickey and Minnie and their cute little fall outfits in the center of the mantle as the centerpiece. And then over on this side here, we have our lantern that I put a couple pumpkins and some fall flowers in. This is something we actually got at Flower and Garden Festival last year. This is a Goofy statue, and he's got a whole bunch of fruits and vegetables, so I thought that was perfect for harvest. And then we put some leaves in around here, around our partner statue, just to kind of brighten it up with those fall colors. And then we have these cowboy boots that were actually used at our wedding, and we have a bunch of them. And we used them here, and I just usually I put different flowers that represent the season, and so I did that here. So I put some leaves and some orange and yellow flowers in there, so I think that's really cute. And then when we went to Disney, I think it was about a year ago, maybe a little bit longer than that. They were doing the bricks and you could buy a brick, and so we did that and we put our wedding date on there, and then I put a couple little pumpkins around there. And then this is my fox. He's got a little vest on. He's so cute, and he's a little plush. And then this is a little plushy type pumpkin. So I think it turned out really cute. It's a little, like I said, you can see Michael K in the background. It's a little cheesier than we usually do, but it brings us joy, and like I said, we all need a little joy. So we're still in the living room. We have our little Mickey pumpkin jack-o'-lantern over there, and I put a tea light in there. We've got our pumpkin pecan waffles candle, and then a few of those pillows. This is a rust kind of velour blanket that I got at Home Goods. I always have a blanket on, so I figured why not get a festive blanket. I think it goes perfectly with the room. And then back here, I love this wall. This is a wall that I definitely decorate. Usually for like spring and summer, it just has some really fun photos of us on there. But for Christmas and for fall, I really like to kind of use this as a focal point. I just think it's so cute. So I put these little garlands up. These are glittery. I think I got these at Michael's, but if you can see, they're glittery. So I put those up with a little fox. You've got a tractor. This is just a little crate here, and I put some leaves and things in there, some wheat, and then a pumpkin and a little squirrel, and then my little hedgehog with the bow tie. So then we're just gonna go over here. I didn't film any of this because I don't really have anywhere to put a camera in our powder room, but this is our downstairs bathroom. And I just put a couple of velvet pumpkins with some florals, some more florals here. These bears are here year round. And then a couple more of those pumpkins. We have a Mickey hand towel and a little sign. And then I just put another little sign up there. So then we'll walk along here and we'll go into the kitchen. I put our little fall greetings sign here. So in the kitchen we have this really cute, it's gonna be hard to see, but these really cute little hedgehogs with glasses and bow ties. I hung that up there. I have this really fun runner here that fits perfectly on this table. And then, of course, we have another candle. And then in here, we have, this is not new, I've had this for years, but I think it is the cutest little runner. And then I put our fruit in this little bowl. On here, I put a little hedgehog with some velvet pumpkins. These are some sunflowers we got at Trader Joe's a couple weeks ago. And then, I'll take this down so you can see it. This says, I love you, a whole pumpkin spice latte. And over on the ovens, we have a couple little autumn hand towels. One of them has doggies on it. I think that's so cute. And then I put that pumpkin spice latte sign over here, which is perfect because it's kind of by my coffee bar, so it works out perfectly. So now let's head into the dining room. So in the dining room, I just did a couple really simple things. This is actually from our wedding. This is a really cute little, we used it for mail, I think, like cards for the wedding. But I just put some little fall flowers in there. And then I put this really pretty runner on our table. It doesn't fit the table, but I actually don't mind sometimes because I like to be able to see these details. And if it hangs over the table, you're not going to see the details. And then I just put a couple little, these are Thanksgiving, but I just put those in here. And this is my grandpa's curio cabinet that he made. It's so beautiful. It's one of my favorite things in the whole entire world. And it's very fragile. So now we're in the hallway. I put a little apple basket down there with some leaves and pumpkins and things. This is a really cute pumpkin I got at Hobby Lobby. I'll kind of back up so you can see that. So I just did a little stainless steel milk jug with some red and tan and cream colored flowers. And then that's another one of those boots. And in there I put some cream colored flowers. And then we just have a couple little foxes. So super simple. Oh, and then there's a little sign as well. So then this is a wreath. This wreath used to be on our front door, but since I made that Mickey pumpkin head wreath, I moved that in here, and I think it looks great. I love it. I love the colors on that wreath. So I put a little welcome sign above the door to the basement, but that's all right. Here is a little fall sign that I made a couple of years back. I love it. It's so cute. I have a couple more that I made for the holiday season as well. And then a little Hello Fall sign there. We have our little Ches. She's sleeping. And then in her room here we have, I love this. Is that not the cutest little plate ever? And then a pumpkin, another candle, and of course, s'mores. And then we have a few more pillows over here, including another truck pillow. So then on this little end table, we have another velvet pumpkin, a little apple picking truck. I think this is so cute. I'm so excited about this. This is a new purchase for this year. And I put a little tea light in there, and then our little owls, and then up on those little shelves, I just put a little raccoon and some pumpkins. So last but not least, I'm going to show you what I did out here. So I just put our little Mickey wreath that is crooked, so I'll fix that. And then our give thanks and our little welcome owl. So that's all we did out here. And then I put a little, that is for the dogs, so they can go on the front porch. A little give thanks pillow, and that one actually says boo. So in October, I'll flip them around. That's super cute. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed following along as I decorated our house for fall. I did not realize that we had acquired so many fall things. I had a really great time pulling them all out and decorating our house, and I hope you had a fun time coming along. Be sure you stay tuned because for the holiday season, we will be doing another one of these for the holidays, and we go a little crazy over here for the holidays. If you are new around here, be sure to click that subscribe button, click that like button if you like what we're doing, and that little bell notification button so that you can be notified every time we release a video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse. We only need the two.